Ka St. Joseph's Academy of Nursing kala Rakhe ka sngi burom jongki nurse hakaleng ka perthai International Nurses Day haka kharwei tarik ujemang da ka jinkmen bat jing shongshit hapadeng ki nong hikai bat ki Samla pule nursing hakane ka school ka badon ha Umtrew ribhoi district kikten phira hakane ka jing Rakhe yakane ka sngi bakrau jongki nurse kalong ki nurse jongi kilong ka lawe ka jing kermen bat ka bor bakhlan ban sumar sukher baro shita yau lenter shua ban poi kani ka singi bakrau ki Samla puli ha kani ka shlam ai jing hikai kila penlong ki program babun jat ha ka ba ki Samla puli kila shim banta da ka jing kemen ka kong Ivory Khardot Assistant Director Nursing Directorate of Health Services MI kala long ka kong san ha kani ka singi kat ba ka kong Kari Lengdo Nursing Superintendent San Care Shillong kala long ka sumbot kong san Kakong Iban Rilen Rani, Principal St. Joseph's Academy of Nursing, bat kakong Jolene, Vice Principal, kila priang burom yaki kong san hakani ka jingelang bakerpang hakani ka singi. Hadian ka jingkran kakong Ivory Khardot, kala ay burom bat yaro yaki nurse hakani ka singi bakraw jongki, namar kilong ka mensi bat udo nur jong ka jing sngobriw, haba kitare yaki kiti bajam nur jongki ban sumar yaki nongpang. Kalapan kan mau da kabaong kaperthai menta kadon kam shibun ki nos ban ai ki jing sumar sukhere ki pat ba amdei tang haki hospital bat ki jaka sumar henre hasnong hathau bat halaki yeng ki samjong ki briuru
non-teaching staff and all lovely students to this event. Welcome. And the second prize. The tea was. And the second prize. Any guesses? Patricia, you should talk more on global warming. Thank you. Valuable contributions of our nurses, the unsung heroes of our healthcare system. The theme of this year's International Nurses Day, Our Nurses, Our Future, the economic power of care. It resonates deeply with the profound impact nurses have on both our present and our future. And I would like to thank Ms. Ivan for highlighting us on the theme of this year's Nurses Day. And all of us know that nurses are the heart and soul of healthcare. The heart and soul of healthcare. They work tirelessly, often under challenging circumstances, to ensure the well-being and comfort of our patients. Their dedication, compassion, and expertise makes a difference in the countless of lives in every single day. I would like to repeat, not their dedication, our dedication, because all of us here are nurses, our dedication and expertise. What is the meaning of expertise? That means we are experts in our own field. Each of these men, we make a countless difference in the number of lives that we meet every day. But in the present day scenario, we find that the role of nurses extends far beyond the bedside. We are the essential drivers of economic growth and stability. The economic power of care cannot be overstated. By providing high-quality care, nurses contribute to improved health outcomes, which in turn leads to increased productivity and reduced healthcare costs. Moreover, our nursing profession itself generates significant economic activity from education and training to research and also to innovation. Furthermore, recognizing the economic value of care means valuing the predominantly workforce that makes up the majority of the healthcare team. Investing in nursing is investing in our future. Why do we say that investing in nursing is investing in our future? As Madam Carey has already spoken, that today we are very, very much in need, or we all need nurses in every healthcare settings, not only in the hospitals or in the bedside, but even in the communities. We have faced unprecedented challenges across the different healthcare settings, and here we have in our scenario today, we have many aging populations, we have pandemics, we have healthcare disparities, and the demand for these skilled nurses will only continue to grow. By supporting the nursing education and providing competitive salaries and benefits and creating conducive work environments, we can ensure a robust pipeline of nursing talent for generations to